Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm come to show you how you can make crust pie dough recipe. And this is the ingredients you need: unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, sugar powder, water, a pinch of salt. In a cream bowl, you sieve all the dry ingredients: flour, sugar powder or powdered sugar. You add a pinch of salt to it and then you sieve it. And you mix it. Then you add the unsalted butter to it. You add your margarine. If you don't have unsalted butter, you can use margarine. And you mix it, you rub it with your finger like this, yeah, like the way you are making your meat pie or fish pie. Yeah, you rub it like this. Yeah, you use your two hands to rub it nicely. And you see this one, you can fold it. Yeah, you can fold it like ball. So that's good. So you add a little bit of water, cold water to it. You add it to it. You need it small. Yeah, don't make it too hard, don't press it too hard. You mix all together like this. Yeah, and you transfer to plain plastic wrap. Yeah, that's plain rubber, white one like this. You transfer, or you can use the zipper. We have the one is zip, you can put inside like this, and you put into your fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. When you are prepared the filling, yeah, that's good. So you make this one, you put into your fridge before you prepare your filling. After 20 minutes, then you put small flour on the surface. You are going to roll it, and then you put your dough inside, you see, and you use your finger to massage it small before you use your rolling pin to flatten. Yeah, you do like this. It's very nice and very easy recipe. You can do it. And we are getting to Christmas. Next 2 weeks is Christmas, so it's better to do something special for your family. Yeah, it's very nice and tastes very good. Yeah, after flattening, you put the baking tin you are going to use to bake it. You put on top like this, and you cut it round. Yeah, if you have this type, if you have the glass one, you can use it. But if you have baking tin, a cake tin, that's the cake tin, you can use that one. You should grease your tin before you put your dough inside, your pie inside. Yeah, you see my own, I grease it before I put the dough inside. And it's ready to use. It's ready to add your apple filling to it. So this one you use for apple tart or apple pie. So it's ready. And you see how I make my own. This is my apple pie. Enjoy! Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there. Like it, comment, and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.